Hello all. In this video, I'll be discussing about program on LED blink. This can be done with the help of Arduino. Let us understand how we can do the program. It's a very simple program. So let us understand the connection. We have the Arduino. What you're supposed to do is I'll be maintaining the pin number 13 as a highest pin. Okay. So output I'll be taking from pin number 13. So you need to connect one LED through a current limiting resistor as shown in the diagram. Okay, this can be done with the help of a breadboard. So you have to open IDE software. IDE must have installed in your computer. In the last session, I have explained how to install IDE software, and please follow up the instruction. The video link will be putting up in the description box. You can have a look once again, and if anybody wanted to install, you can perform. So this is a program for LED blink. As we know that there are two segments for the program. The first segment is void setup and the second segment is void loop. In the void setup, what you can do is you can maintain a certain pin as a high output pin. Okay, here I am going to maintaining the 13 as a highest pin. You can select anyone as your wish. So the importance of void setup at a particular, we are going to maintain direction of a particular pin. Okay, direction will be controlling with the help of this particular comment. Okay. Second segment is void loop. This is your heart of the program. Here what you are going to do is at a 1000 millisecond, the LED will on. You are going to maintain the delay of 1000 millisecond. Let us understand the meaning of these two lines. That means a digital write 13 comma high. That means you are maintaining that particular 13 pin as a output pin. Okay, it will show high when at a duration of 1000 millisecond. And afterwards, after 1000 millisecond, or else you can say 1 second. After 1 second, the LED that is getting off. So the on and off process will be repeated. So that is the importance of this particular loop. Okay, this process will be repeated. Okay, that means 13 is the highest pin. So 13 will be made as an output pin. So you are going to maintain a delay of 1 second, or you can call 1000 millisecond, generation of 1000 millisecond delay. That's the meaning of this particular command. Okay. So afterwards, what you can do, you have to upload. So you have to upload the program and you have to run. Okay. What you're supposed to do is you have to type the same thing in the IDE environment. So I have given as a program name as LED. Your wish, you can give any name. Then we have the two main statements, that is void setup and void loop. Here I am going to make 13 pin as an output pin. Okay, 13 I'll be taking output from 13. Then I am going to make a delay of 1 second, or we can call 1000 millisecond. So the on and off process will be repeated for every 1 second. So that is actually the program. Anyway, you have to do the wiring first. After doing the wiring, connect the Arduino to the laptop. ID must be installed in your laptop. Then you have to run the program. Okay, so that is a main thing. Let us go through the demonstration, how we can make out. Now let's understand how to do the programming with the help of Arduino. So you can observe what are the components which are required. We need one connecting wire. Okay. Then one current limiting resistor. Current limiting resistor you can take 470 ohm. So that is given here. Then we require one LED. Then Arduino board is needed. Arduino Uno we are going to use. Then breadboard. Then USB cable. Then we require one laptop, which should installed with the IDE software. So here you are supposed to type the program. Same program whatever I have shown you. So these are the components which are required. So I have shown separately. You can observe very carefully. Then what you are supposed to do is you need to connect Arduino to laptop via USB cable. One port is known as A port, another is B port. Okay, so I have connected. You can see the indication also. As soon as I connect the Arduino, you can able to observe the indication. That is very clear. That means Arduino is working properly. Clear? So this is the way how to connect Arduino to your computer. And as per the program, according to the program, we are maintaining 13 pin as an output. That means direction we are going to control. Okay, that means 13 as an output. So you can observe the LED. the longer pin will decide as a positive and the shorter pin will be considered as negative. That you have to remember. So you can connect anywhere because better use a breadboard and connect comfortably, or else you can directly insert with the Arduino pin also, but that is unsafe. In spite of that, you can use the breadboard as shown like this. Okay, so one is positive, another is negative. Now we have to use the current limiting resistor. Okay, for the protection. So I am going to connect the current limiting resistor. I think it is very clear to you. All right. And now we can observe. This is actually the positive point and this will be negative ground point. Okay. So whatever the point is available, that should be directly connected to pin number 13. Other point should be connected to ground. Okay. So once again, I am repeating. This point should be connected. You can observe the pointer. This point should be connected to pin number 13. The negative, that means negative of the LED, that should be connected to the ground. Let us continue. So take a longer wire. And as I told you, this point should be connected. Whatever the first point of the resistor, that should be connected to pin number 13. Why 13? Because pin number 13 we have decided as output. So I have connected to pin number 13. While connecting, it should be very much careful. Okay. Better use the feasible wire. Okay. And also, what is the next procedure? The negative of the LED. Okay, negative lead of the LED, that must be connected to the ground. Same thing I am doing. This is one of the simplest program. Okay, connection is completed. Now you have to type the program. You have to upload and verify. Okay, I have already explained the ID environment, how to install, how to use, everything I have installed. Then I have typed the program, then I have uploaded and verified. Verified and uploading process will be over. So that that is available here. We can observe directly that the process is verified. So afterwards, what observation you made? See, for every 1 second, LED is on and afterwards it is getting off. Okay, at a delay of 1 second. That is merely visible. Okay, that can be observed very clearly. See, every 1 second it is on and off. This process will be repeated. Very clearly you can observe. Okay, this is one of the simplest program. You can practice it and try to understand. This is required. Okay. Let me conclude the session. We have discussed about how to make out the program on LED blink using Arduino and how to perform the connection and the basics of the program. And also I have shown you the demonstration how to make out the program. Finally, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are having any queries, you can put up in the comment box. And also if you require the presentation, you can also mention in the comment box. Thanks a lot.